y'all? Getting my kids to help around the house is a tough one, but not in this video. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, and I'm back for another video. If you are new here and you love all things 31, welcome, and consider subscribing down below. And if you love organizing videos, give this video a big like, because I am launching my Organize With Me series. This will be the first of maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4. And I'm actually collaborating with a new YouTuber. Her name is Meg. So make sure you check out her channel, and I'll leave it down below in the description. So in this video, I am gonna get my kids to help me with the laundry. If you are a busy mom with 2 little ones like me, or maybe more or less, doing the laundry, specifically folding the laundry, is the toughest part of the whole process. When you start getting into the process of folding, and here they come, they get in there and they do their thing, making a mess, making the job twice as long. It's fun for them, but a little crazy for you. Or you get theirs folded so nicely, but when they put their clothes away and it makes it to the drawer, but it doesn't make it the way you folded it into the drawer, and the drawer looks like a hot mess. So regardless, all that effort in folding goes out the door. Or you get the nicely folded clothes in the drawer, and when they get themselves dressed, it becomes a big old cluster in their drawer from looking around for specific shirts to wear. So in this video, I'm actually introducing one of my best friends. This is the medium stand tall bin, and it is available in several different colors. It does come in a larger, and this is called the stand tall bin. This is currently our hamper, so you guys can see the little changes. It also comes in a itty bitty one. This is a mini storage bin. So check those out. So this is baby bear, mama bear, and lastly, Papa Bear. And I'm gonna help you guys just stop folding, stop the madness. So I'm gonna test it out actually today to see if my method is even gonna stick with these kids. When you get your stand tall insert, not stand tall, medium insert, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna get it in the mail like this. When you open it, you're gonna pop that bad boy open. And you have 4 sticks, and this is gonna help. What helps it open up? 4 sticks. Take this off, and inside you'll see Velcro, and then a little hole. You're gonna stick these sticks in the hole. You're gonna get them all around. Make sure you use the little flap so they don't come popping out, and they stay upright. Now you have your bin. I currently have it set up where there's 4 bins, and under each I have a sign. My son is a visual learner, so he needs to be directed. So into this side I will put shirts, and he has pants, and the mini ones I will have them put their underwear and socks. My daughter, I'm reinforcing Spanish and Tagalog, so I've used a blusa for blouses, for tops, and los pantalones for her pants. So I'm gonna tell them to focus on pants, tops, underwears, and socks. Actually, I'll tell them to leave the socks in a pile, so while they're putting their clothes away, mommy can actually match the socks and set them to the side so that they can put it away themselves. So let's see if this technique actually works. Okay guys, you're gonna help mommy with the laundry. Do you see these bins behind you?
Yes.
This side is at this side, and that side is your side, Jonah, okay? This is your t-shirt, that's your pants, underwear, and then you just leave the socks up here until mommy puts them together, then you can put your socks away. Okay, start putting your clothes away.
Los pantalones.
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 And
Un blusa.
una blusa.
Una blusa. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5.
how about you, handsome? What do you see here?
This name.
Pants.
Pants. T-shirt.
All right. And do you guys give it 2 thumbs up? Yeah? Well, there you guys have it. A super easy system to get your little ones involved with putting their clothes away. I hope you guys enjoyed, and go ahead and give it a try. And I want to hear all about how you guys did with this easy peasy no folding system. Bye.